Good morning, children. So yesterday I explained you in chapter 2 how to write the numbers in words. Okay. So now how to write the numerals. So next topic, write the numerals. Numerals means they will be given the word form. That word form you have to convert it as a numbers. Okay, changing the inverse into numbers will be called as a numerals. Okay, so now we are discussing about in textbook page number 50 and 51. Textbook page number 50, 51. So here they explain about more than 6 digits. If the more than 6 digits the values are there, how to write them in words and how to write them in the numeral form. That is the concept of chapter 2 first exercise. Okay, so yesterday just I give the examples and how to write, just I gave the explanation how to write the numbers in words. Now today also first let me explain about how to write the numeral. Then I'll explain you what is the homework of today's. Okay, so now write the numeral. For example, 63 lakhs. Don't copy children this one. 63 lakhs 41,000. Okay, 63 lakhs 41,345. This is the word format. So now how to write those words in the numbers? For that you must aware about our Indian place value system. Okay, so Indian place value system, from your right hand side the first place value will be ones, then tens, next 100, next excuse me children, thousands. In thousands place value 2 digits will be 1,000, 10,000. So thousands and 10,000s. After the thousands place value, we will be get lakhs place value. Okay, in lakhs place value also 2 digits will be. That is 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. After writing the place value, then from the left direction onwards, start inserting the numbers according to the place value. Okay. Once again read this one. 63 lakhs is there. 63 lakhs. It means in lakhs place 63 have to write. 63 over. Next after the lakhs place what will we get? Thousands place. In thousands place what the number is there? 41. So 4141. After that we will get the hundreds place value. So in hundreds place what is the digit is there? 300. So write 3 in the hundreds place. And then 41. Last 2 digits are 41. So this is the concept to write the numerals write the words in the numeric form. Okay. Now everyone open your textbook page number 50. Open fast. In textbook page number 50, let's do it. Let's do first one section is there. Okay children, here sums are there. These are continued to the page number 51 also. Okay, section 1, section 2. Today section 1, section 2 you will be get as a homework. From section 1 sum. Now I'll write it on the board. You also write along with me in textbook. And from the section 2 also one sum I'll write. First one I'll write it on the board. You also copy in textbook, and remaining sums are homework. Okay, now the first one, what we did means insert commas and write the number names according to the Indian system. Okay, according to the Indian system we have to write this one. And the first number is 7, 8, 5, 4, 0, 3, 2, 5. This is the first number. Okay, and down on that he gave like this numeral, and here inverse, like the headings is there. Okay, numerals, inverse. Now write along with me first one, numeral. What is the numeral children? The first number what he gave, that number only numeral. It means same as it is copy the first sum. 7, 8, 5, 4, 0, 3, 2, 5. Okay, after writing this, in question what he asked, insert the commas. Okay, so from your left hand side, leave 3 digits 1, 2, 3 and insert comma. And according to Indian system, after 3 digits, 2 digits have to leave. So 1, 2, leave it and put the comma again. 1, 2, leave it and put the comma. Then write the place values on the given number, above the given number. So start writing place value above the given number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Now start writing this number in words. Okay, start writing this number in words. So first start writing from the crores place value onwards. Okay, in crores place what the number is there? 7. So write 7 in words. S-E-V-E-N, 7 crores. C-R-O-R-E-S, 7 crores. Next what is there? Together how to read? 85. This 285 is in which place value? Lakhs place value. Very good. Write down. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. F-I-V-E, 5. 85,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 85,000. Sorry, 85 lakhs. 85 lakhs. L-A-K-H-S. 85 lakhs. And after that, 40 is there. 40 is in which place? Thousands place. So write down 40 spelling. F-O-R-T-Y, 40,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 40,000. Then what is there in hundreds place value? Which number is there? 3 is there. So write 3 spelling. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Which place value? Hundreds place value. So write 100 in words. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 300. And last 2 digits have to read together. Last 2 digits 25, 25 no. So write down. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. F-I-V-E, 5, 25. Okay, so this is the first sum, A sum in section 1. Okay, now in section 2 also, page number 51, section 2 also, first sum I will explain how to write the numeral. Okay, copy this neatly children. Now I am writing the board. Section 2, write the numeral. Just now I explained, you know. Write the numerals. So A1, what has given the textbook means 3 lakhs 78,000 426. This is the number in words. Now how to convert into numeric form? So for that, first what is the step you have to do, children? First, whether the number is there in the place value or not, but we must have to write the place values till the first one is lakhs, no, till lakhs place. So right now, start writing from right side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Now underline the place values spellings word. Okay, now start writing, insert the numbers from the lakhs place value. In lakhs place before 3 is there, so write 3 in the lakhs place. Next, 1000 word before, what is the word is there? 78. So 78, write in the thousands place. Next, 100 I underline, no? 100 before, what is the word is there here? 4. So write 4 in hundreds place value. And last digit together have to read, that is 26. So 2, 6, 26 write as a numeral. So like this how to write it, children. Okay, so today's homework in textbook page number 50 and 51, section A and section 1 and section 2 have to do in the textbook itself. Okay children, in next class I will continue the next exercise 2.